Have you ever thought of manifesting money while you sleep? It may seem strange, but it is possible if you follow the strategy, which I will share with you here. In this video, I'm going to share with you an effective technique that you can employ to manifest money while you sleep. This technique really works, and it has been derived from Neville Goddard's teachings, so make sure you stick around this video till the end to fully understand the strategy and how to put it into practice. And if you are visiting this channel for the first time, go ahead and subscribe to it to watch more videos from our channel. Let's now jump right into it. To manifest money while you sleep, you need to understand that manifestation works by reprogramming your subconscious mind to eliminate negative thoughts and implant your desire in it. To reprogram your subconscious mind, the time just before sleep is a perfect time. Here, I would love to share the right strategies with you to get the most out of a night's sleep and make manifesting money as easy as sleeping. If you feel like every day is a grind and you can't get ahead, you're not alone. There is nobody who doesn't want money or who doesn't want ease. There is nothing wrong with manifesting money or working for one's own ease. People everywhere want ease because they feel the stress of working hard. They feel the stress of working every day to make ends meet. So wouldn't it be great to attract money and wealth into your life while you sleep? Neville Goddard's law of assumption guarantees your manifestation if you practice it while having complete faith in the teachings of Neville Goddard. According to Neville Goddard, a person is the creator of his life. Nothing can affect his life, and he can do whatever he wants. Even a person can manifest millions of dollars in seconds, but it takes nothing but your conscious and subconscious minds to work in a certain way. You aren't required to put much effort or time into it. You don't need to go after your desire, but the law of assumption trains you to attract it into your life. It is easy to manifest money while you sleep. Just follow the strategy that I'm going to share with you, and it will start happening in your life. So let's get started with the science behind manifesting money while you sleep, along with a few tools and tricks to help you get going. First, we need to know what will attract money into your life while you sleep. Manifesting money in your life while you sleep is all part of the big picture of creating more abundance in your life. It is a fun way to teach your subconscious mind new programs, which is where all of the magic happens. Neville Goddard's teachings suggest that your subconscious mind is the root of everything. Everything in your life is directly related to the beliefs and thoughts that you hold in your subconscious mind. The subconscious mind is part of our mind that influences our actions and decisions without our being aware of them. Our subconscious mind is involved in everything we do, but most of us don't know this truth. All of our daily actions, reactions to certain situations, and attitudes are directly influenced by what we are carrying in our minds. Underneath all our habits, patterns, emotions, thoughts, and manifestations lie the complicated and vast workings of our subconscious mind. So you just learned to train your subconscious mind to follow your directions, align with your desires, and steer towards your goals and dreams. Manifesting things in your life isn't difficult, but first you will have to reprogram your mind. When you try to work towards a goal or a new life, but your subconscious mind isn't reprogrammed in that way, you will always experience resistance. All the things that you can think of are very easy to manifest. You are just required to reprogram your subconscious mind in that way. And the reprogramming of your subconscious mind takes time. Most people who try to manifest their desires fail. But when you can change the programming in your subconscious to match a more desirable belief system, you become unstoppable. Reprogramming your subconscious mind is of immense importance. Like a computer, our subconscious mind needs instructions from some outside source. We use our conscious mind to instruct our subconscious mind. The thoughts that we possess in our conscious mind are passed to our subconscious mind. They act as instructions for our subconscious mind. Our subconscious mind understands those instructions and performs actions based on them. You see how important our subconscious mind is. In order to manifest money in your subconscious while you sleep, you need to reprogram your subconscious mind in that way. Now that we've discussed the importance of reprogramming our subconscious minds, let's discuss the ways that you can use to reprogram your subconscious mind so that it can work in favor of your desires. It takes time for the subconscious mind to change. It is the culmination of years of learning you receive as children, and we observe it being practiced every day. Based on what we observe, we develop belief systems and expectations, which then constitute a schema or lens through which we view the world. You must first realize that modifying subconscious mind patterns will require persistent action. Additionally, it will take time. You can change it over time through constant suggestions and conscious directions. This is the only way to reprogram your mind. You actually can't change your subconscious mind directly because it lies beneath the conscious mind. You can't even know what sort of thoughts it carries. But your subconscious mind is directly connected with your conscious mind, so the best way to reprogram your subconscious mind is to put the ideas in your conscious mind. These thoughts will be passed on to the subconscious mind, and it will start working towards manifesting your desire. Repeated exposure to ideas causes your subconscious to gradually open up to them and accept them as reality. Hypnosis, meditation, journaling, affirmations, and visualization are some of the most effective methods for reprogramming your subconscious. Powerful things can start to happen when you engage in your manifestation practices right before bed. Experts suggest that setting intentions at night before you go to bed is the ideal practice to reprogram your mind. When you insert ideas and thoughts this time, your mind quickly accepts them. It primes your dreams to align with what you want. Your thoughts and intentions will accompany you into sleep and into your dreams when you go to bed thinking about the things you want to manifest. In this way, your desire will get implanted in your subconscious mind, and everything will start working for it. Your dreams are where your subconscious mind comes alive and seems to become a reality. When you speak affirmations to yourself or practice journaling, visualizations, meditation, or self-hypnosis right before you go to sleep, it puts the desired thoughts in front of the eyes of your subconscious mind as your conscious mind starts to get in the way. In this way, you express your desires to your mind and suggest to it how to work for what you want to manifest in your life. Affirmations are actually suggestions that you give to your mind. When your mind starts accepting these suggestions as true, you will start noticing changes in your life. You can write affirmations and record them in your own voice. When you go to bed before you sleep, listen to these affirmations and surrender to them. Your mind would slowly stop analyzing the meaning behind everything being said and take it as truth. As your subconscious consistently experiences these suggestions without the conscious mind's impedance, it will accept these positive affirmations as reality, and you will start to see these new belief systems manifest themselves in your wakeful life. It is also powerful to listen to positive affirmations while you sleep because your subconscious mind is still receptive to a state of deep sleep. Performing actions that create the emotions of having achieved your desired outcome right before bed will ensure that it is the last thing on your mind before falling asleep. Money affirmation will allow old, limiting money beliefs to fall away as you do this consistently. For example, you will be able to visualize your bank account number and all the beautiful and desired things you would be able to manifest in your life. You could feel the joy and excitement of impacting other people for the better with your business, service, or resources. Then you will carry these emotions, feelings, and mental pictures into your dream state, even if you don't remember them in the morning. Your subconscious mind will continue working on it, even if you are unconscious of it. Once you successfully implant your desire in your subconscious mind, it will slowly grow and materialize in reality. Another great way to train your subconscious mind for manifesting money is to have a money manifesting routine. Do you have a morning manifesting routine for money? If you don't have a money manifesting routine, you must have one, because if you think about money in the morning, then your conscious mind starts working on it. Your mind will start your day in the positive manifesting condition it needs to be in if you learn to take your time and complete your self-hypnosis, meditation, affirmations, journaling, or gratitude practice before you do anything else. Your days will begin to change as soon as you take charge of the first few minutes of each day. So I recommend you do something about manifesting money in the morning. Have some routine that can trigger your mind to think all day about money that you want to manifest. Beginning to attract money into your life is all about the actions you perform that reprogram your mind. When your mind is reprogrammed, you don't need to do anything. You will be manifesting money 24/7. You need the right mindset and the right thoughts in your subconscious mind. Once your mind is programmed to think about money in the right way, you will no longer need to worry about it. You will be able to manifest anything while you sleep if you begin to constantly work on your belief systems using the right mindset, a trained and programmed subconscious mind, and law of assumption methods like meditation, affirmations, and visualization. If you don't, your subconscious mind's present belief systems will continue to control you. That's all you've got to do. If you truly want to manifest money in your life while you sleep, first learn to reprogram your subconscious mind. When your subconscious mind is programmed to think about money, it will automatically manifest situations where you will get money in unexpected ways. You can manifest money at any time, and it literally takes no effort or time, but it requires the right mindset, which can only be achieved by reprogramming your subconscious mind. So to manifest money while you sleep, you need to spend some days reprogramming your subconscious mind. You can use many of the approaches suggested by Neville Goddard to change the contents of your subconscious mind. Affirmations and visualizations are probably the most effective way, but you can also get help from other Neville Goddard techniques, such as the SATS technique or the ladder technique. These are the most effective techniques to change the contents of the subconscious mind because they have been suggested by Neville Goddard himself. I hope I was able to deliver a good analysis of this idea of manifesting money while you are asleep by Neville Goddard. And of course, this doesn't mean we agree with every single thing he said or believed in, because in the end, everyone will form his or her own opinion. And that is why we are analyzing and discussing his ideas and methods to fully understand his approach and general ideas, as he was a great teacher and inspired millions of people around the world. If you want to share your opinion, comment down below this video. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to it and press the bell icon for more interesting, informative, and helpful videos on manifestation. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.